Well, if you're seeing this, then if you're thinking that I'm using a virtual machine here, you are wrong. For three reasons. I have a computer behind my couch running Windows. Yep, sure do. And that is because Fusion 360. I've tried it on a virtual machine. I've tried it in Lutris. I've tried it in Wine, Lutris. It just don't. It just, you know. So this is an old i3 computer. There's no graphics card here, so it's I mean it's enough. It's enough to do what I need to do. As you can see, it has Intel graphics. It's usable. It's perfectly usable. Um, we can do a new design. We can draw some stuff. Turn the origin on. Let's create that. Let's do circle. Yep. Let's do another circle. Yep. We'll extrude that this way. Beep. Yep. Okay. So there you go. So it's enough to do what I need to do. It's not. It's definitely not my computer with the graphics, but it's enough. So that's one reason. Um, the other reason is SDR Uno, and I don't have SDR Uno. I don't have the SDR Play. It's out in the shop. I'll have to go find it and get it. But this computer is gonna run that. I also have downloaded RMS Express, which hadn't even been unzipped yet. So we'll extract that. Um, so yeah, RMS Express, WinLink. We're gonna do WinLink, uh, EchoLink. Well, I don't need to really run EchoLink, but it could, I guess. Um, so yeah, I actually have a Windows computer now. Um, and the only reason is, but for radio stuff. The only reason is for radio. Um, Programming radios. Um, Working on radios. Programming radios. WinLink. Um, SDR Uno, and Fusion 360. And that is all this is for. I gotta go find that thing. But yeah, yep, sure is. There it is, right there. Intel i3 4130, 6 gigs of RAM. Sure is. Man, I hate this. I absolutely hate this. But hey, it's actually, it's not so bad. It's not so bad. We'll see how it goes.